Hi friends, happy Friday. It's Miss Barry here for our reading skills lesson. I hope that you've been enjoying this week of research. It's been really neat to learn some new facts about different animals that I didn't know about. So remember, we're working on our research this week, and then next week we're going to be organizing our information, and the week after you'll be finally producing an informational paragraph about an animal that you've picked. So I'm super excited to take you through this research process. And I can't believe we're already finished with week 1. This is our last lesson for the week. So let's jump right into it. I want to show you a video that tells you what animal we're learning today. So here we go.
Zebras. Where does the zebra fit in the animal kingdom? Zebras.
I forgot to tell you, the creator of this video says the name of the animal a little bit silly, but that's okay. Sometimes people pronounce words different than us. So we are learning about the zebra. Yeah, the creator of the video calls it a zebra, but that's okay. So let's keep watching.
Are from Africa. They're covered with black and white stripes, just like pianos. Did you know every zebra has a different pattern? It keeps them from being bitten by flies. They look just like horses. Can you see the difference? And like horses, mummy zebras are called mares, daddy zebras are called stallions, and baby zebras are called foals. Zebras eat fruit, leaves, grass, and roots. And they graze in a big group called a herd. Zebra herds roam on large grassy plains. They can run very fast. Can you say zebra? Zebra. Zebra. Well done. Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals.
All right, so my friends, that's the last animal that we're going to be studying together, but you're more than welcome to check out some other animals that are interesting to you. I know we took a vote on our top few, and those are the ones I selected, but I'm sure you have other interests too. So feel free to check it out when you have some free time. So today we are talking about the zebra. Super excited. It's one of my favorite animals, so I'm pretty excited about it. So let's take a look at our target we've been working on this week. Repeat after me. I can read and answer questions about a nonfiction text. Perfect. So today we're going to read a nonfiction text about a zebra, and then we're going to answer some questions in Google Classroom, just like we've been doing every other day this week. So let's jump right into our text today. So today we are reading about the zebra. Where did it disappear? Sorry, friends, I have to get our article up here. Disappeared on me. Sorry about that, friends. Here's our article for today. Perfect. So we are reading about the zebra. Let's get started. Zebra, mammal. Mammal means that it has warm blood, fur, or hair, and that it has babies. Zebras are big. They have a tail. They have black and white stripes. No two zebras are the same. They live in savannas. They stay together. They live in herds. They move to look for food and water. Zebras are herbivores. They eat grass, plants, and twigs. Their teeth can cut and chew the plants. They have one baby at a time. The babies are called foals. They have stripes. They are brown and white. They live for 25 years. Zebras have adaptations that help them. Their teeth are sharp. They help them eat plants. They have stripes. They help them hide. They live in herds. They keep each other safe. Zebras are amazing animals. So just like yesterday, I'd like for you to help me with my annotations. So I'm going to read through a section and we're going to decide what color I should make those words. So first off, in my first paragraph, I see zebras are big, they have a tail, they have black and white stripes, and no two zebras are the same. That's what the animal's appearance is. What color should I use for appearance if you look at our table? Yeah, our table says that I'm going to use yellow for appearance. So I'm going to underline all of this in yellow. Zebras are big, they have a tail, they have black and white stripes, and no two zebras are the same. That's pretty cool that none of them have the same stripes on them. I'm going to underline that also in orange because I think that's a cool fact. No two zebras are the same. Okay, let's keep reading to see what color I use next. They live in savannas, they stay together, they live in herds. That's all about the habitat. Remember, a savanna is a grassland that's very dry. There's not a lot of water around. So they live in savannas. That's our habitat. What color should I use for habitat? Yes, blue is habitat right here. So I'm going to underline all this in blue. They live in savannas. They stay together. They live in herds. And they move to look for food and water. So if they're running out of food and water, the whole herd will move to find more. Let's keep going. Zebras are herbivores. Who remembers what herbivores means? Go ahead and shout it out. It means they eat plants. They eat grass, plants, and twigs. Their teeth can cut and chew the plants. That is their diet. What color do we use for diet? Great, we're going to use red for diet. Zebras are herbivores. They eat grass, plants, and twigs. Their teeth can cut and chew the plant. Beautiful. Let's keep going. They have one baby at a time. The babies are called foals. They have stripes. They are black, brown, and white. They live for 25 years. What color should I make this information? It has to do with how the babies grow, which we call a life cycle. So I'm going to use green. Let's switch to green for life cycle and underline all of this green. Perfect. Our next section says zebras have adaptations that help them. Their teeth are sharp, they help them eat plants. They have stripes, they help them hide, and they live in herds. They keep each other safe. All of that is an adaptation. There's that big word. What color should I make adaptations if you look at our table? Purple for adaptations. I'm going to underline these things. So if you see my friends, my underlining annotations will help me to find specific information. So if I'm talking to somebody and I want to tell them about the adaptations, I know that I'm going to come back to my purple annotations to find that information again. I also thought that I want to underline that a zebra is a mammal because that's really important about their appearance. So I added that in there too. And I've already chose a cool fact is that no two zebras are the same. So that's why I chose orange for that. So now I have my annotations ready. I can go to answer my questions. So just like we've been doing all week, you have some questions in Google Classroom, but you can use your annotations to help you. So if you're not sure of the answer, go back and check and look for the information in your reading. So I'm going to show you that assignment and remind you that next to each question, there's a color: yellow, blue, red, green, green, and purple on each question. So you're going to go back to view that annotation if you're unsure of the answer, and then you're going to click on the answer that you're choosing. So, my friends, as always, go ahead and get started right away while the information's fresh in your head. If you need help, reach out to me. I am more than willing to give you a hand with this. So, get started right away, and then you have a wonderful weekend. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, everybody.